Alright, just doing a quick unboxing of the Habity Bedside clock. I just got this today from UPS. I'm one of the backers from the United States. So it's, June 10th today, and I'm just receiving it. I haven't had a chance to open it, so this may be a very boring unboxing, but we'll see. Okay. And there is the device. There's a cable. I think that's it. There's no power brick or anything inside. I thought there was supposed to be one, but there you go. I had a chance to look at some of the comments on Kickstarter. There are some complaints about, well, varying degrees of feedback on build quality. First impressions, it feels nice. I think people were complaining about this not uniformly pressing down, but I don't have major complaints with that. But I understand the feedback. That makes sense. But the buttons don't feel terrible. This little knob also doesn't feel too bad. That's the bottom. Yeah, so I guess that's it. There's this braided cable. It looks very similar to like a braided cable from Apple. So we'll use that to power the device. Okay, well, I'll do that later. But yeah, that's just a quick unboxing and overview. This is the one in green. I don't know what the other color was, like a cream or tan type thing, but I think the software experience will be a whole other thing. I know there's been some complaints there as well, but in terms of the hardware, the device seems decent. We'll see how the software is as is, and then as it develops over time. But that's all for this video.